Welcome sa sit9.com. This video tutuloy natin ating series about rational expressions, no? And this will be the last video sa ating series, no? Although in the near future tuturuan ko kayo kung paano na mag-solve ng equations with rational expressions. As of now, tapusin na muna natin to series kasi medyo mahaba na rin to. We have 27 videos. I think this is the 27th video in the series. At sa tingin ko naman ay more than enough na yun, no? Para makuha nyo yung konsepto, no? At kung paano pag-solve, no? Pag-add, pag-subtract, pag-multiply, tsaka pag-divide ng rational expressions. No? So, umpisa na natin. Yung number 1, we have 3 plus n over n plus 1. So, ano ang sabi natin pag whole number? Mas maganda na lagyan natin ng over 1. No? Pag whole number. So, plus n over n plus. Now, meron tayong denominators na 1 saka n plus 1, meaning we have to get the LCD, no? Ng dalawang expressions na yan. Pero yung 1, hindi naman siya nakaka-apekto, so ang ating denominator ay n plus 1. Meaning, we need two rational expressions. Gagawin natin itong mga expressions na to na ang denominator nila ay n plus 1. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala na tayong problema dito dahil n plus 1 yung denominator dyan. So, we just copy. Ito, paano gagawin natin dito? From the previous videos na pag-aaralan natin that we have to divide this by the denominator of the original rational expression. So, n plus 1 divided by 1, that's n plus 1 times 3. No? Multiply natin siya dun sa numerator. So, this is n plus 1. Simplifying, we have, pag pareho na yung denominator, pwede na natin siyang gawing isang rational expression na lang. So, n plus 1, tapos, we copy this, 3 times quantity n plus 1 plus n. And, after that, we simplify. 3 times quantity n plus 1 is 3n plus 3. So, 3n plus 3. And then, we have a plus n here. Meaning, we have 3n tsaka n, addition, that's 4n, and then plus 3 over n plus 1. So, ito na yung pinaka-final answer natin. Hindi natin siya pwedeng i-simplify. Second, we have, siguro maganda gawin natin itong minus. Because we already have already an example of addition. So, ganun din, no? Pag whole number, pwede natin siya lagyan ng over 1. 4 over 1 minus 5 over x cubed plus y cubed. Again, we have 1 and x cubed plus y cubed, which means that we have two expressions na kanila denominator ay x cubed plus y cubed. So we have minus x cubed plus y cubed. Sabi natin, gusto natin yung denominator nito, itong dalawang expression na to ay maging x cubed plus y cubed, but then again, we have, this one has already that denominator, so lalagay na natin yung 5. Hindi natin siya papaguhin kasi nandito siya. And then, yung 4 over 1, so paano yun? We divide this by the denominator, so x cubed plus y cubed divided by 1 is equal to x cubed plus y cubed, and then times 4. No? After that, gagawin natin is combine na naman natin, same denominator na. So, x cubed plus y cubed, 4 times x cubed plus y cubed minus 5, which is equal to 4x cubed plus 4y cubed minus 5 over x cubed plus y cubed. Okay, so that's it. Ito na yung pinakasagot natin. No? I hope meron kayong natutunan dito sa ating series na to. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay ninyo, no? Dito sa series natin. we will have more videos in the future. Siguro ituloy natin yung trigonometry, no? Kasi bisa ko na pero binalikan ko yung rational expressions. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.